new TikTok trend mocking Amber Heard is going viral, and outlets like Rolling Stone are not happy about it. I'm also seeing reports from them as well as Variety magazine that warn about the issues this could cause for future victims of domestic violence. Although my question is, wouldn't that have more to do with Amber Heard, especially if we discover during the cross-examination by Johnny Depp's legal team that she fabricated her stories? They would then have to change that title to Amber Heard creates problems for future victims of domestic violence. Somehow, though, it's easier to just blame TikTok. An audio clip from Amber's testimony is being used as a voiceover by a lot of people on the platform. In the clip, Amber says, "I was walking out of the bedroom, he slapped me across the face, and I turned to look at him, and I said, 'Johnny, you hit me. You just hit me.'" In a video posted by an account with 900,000 followers called Hey It's Ginger and Pepper, they used Amber's emotional testimony and reenacted it with an adorable marmalade cat in a blonde wig, who then makes another appearance as Johnny Depp while donning a black wig and a pirate's bandana. In the opening scene, the cat dressed as Amber is being lightly slapped by a finger with a rubber hand on it. So far as of writing this, the clip has been viewed over 16 million times and liked by 2.6 million people. Now, typically the Gen Z audience of TikTok is uniquely active whenever it comes to things like social justice, with a lot of the most popular content on the platform having a focus on issues like domestic violence prevention and trauma. However, the comments on this video are for the most part very lighthearted. One comment that was liked by over 12,000 people says, "This couldn't be any more creative, love it. They are better actors than Miss Amber." Bizarrely, there was also a comment from a verified Johnny Depp account who just said, "So cute." The real problem that Rolling Stone is having with this seemingly innocuous TikTok trend is that the sound has been used in nearly 15,000 videos, adding that the top videos under the sound, many of which have more than 10 million views, all seem to be literal reenactments of the attack that Amber described in her testimony. In another top video using the sound, a man dressed as Depp's character in Pirates of the Caribbean pretends to slap a woman dressed in Heard's courtroom attire. That video has 5 million views. Others are using the sound though to dispute Amber's story. There were several accounts that point out the inconsistencies with her testimony, more specifically the claim that she turned to look at Depp after he allegedly had hit her. One person wrote, "Don't you have to be looking at someone in the face to be able to slap them across it?" And the argument here is that too many people are making light of what should be a very serious situation. If it wasn't Amber Heard, you would just have a bunch of people mocking a survivor of domestic violence. Rolling Stone even reached out to TikTok for a comment on the matter, and in response they said that they removed the videos that Rolling Stone sent them on the grounds that it violated the platform's anti-bullying and policy, which prohibits content that disparages victims of violent tragedies. Although they still had a problem with the cat video being left up and claimed that there are still 14,800 videos that have been posted using the sound. According to Maureen Curtis, the Vice President of Criminal Justice Programs at the victim assistance organization Safe Horizon, she said that the trend is totally demoralizing and demeaning to all survivors, to all people, to everybody who believes all survivors should be treated compassionately and fairly. To put that on TikTok in a joking way is insulting. That being said, I don't think that the memes are going to stop anytime soon. Even if some find this to be disturbing, the internet is for the most part Team Johnny Depp, and so the messaging in memes and TikToks is going to reflect this. Maureen goes on to say in this interview with Rolling Stone, "When you have a celebrity, particularly one who's as well liked as Johnny Depp, accused of violence, it makes it harder for a survivor to want to come forward and to be believed. People don't want to believe a well-liked man could do things like this." I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this though, because that's all the time we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.